this tutorial, we will be teaching you how to achieve the exterior Travertine finish using our Jotashield Décor collection. This is Muhammad Ali, and he's a Jotun master painter. He helps people make their homes beautiful, and he takes great pride in the trust they put in him. Today, Muhammad Ali brought a friend with him to help him as this finish requires teamwork. For this finish, you will need an emulsion roller, a texture roller, a small roller handle, a small scraper, a large scraper, a trowel, and an aluminium scale. Before starting, make sure the facades are cut into horizontal strips by creating grooves in the plaster. This will not only make the wall resemble the real Travertine rock, but will also make the work easier and deliver better results. First, apply one coat of one of Jotashield primers as needed, and let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. After you're done priming the wall, you can begin with the real artistry. Using a scraper, apply a smooth, thin coat of Jotashield Décor Travertine. Allow the paint to dry for another 2 to 3 hours. Next, apply a thick second coat of Jotashield Décor Travertine using a scraper. While the paint is still wet, pass a textured roller on top. This will give it more volume to complete the final look. Let the paint partially dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, use a small scraper in horizontal motions to smoothen out the paint. Allow paint to partially dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Then, using a steel trowel, polish the paint and immediately scratch the surface using the corner of the scraper to create arbitrary lines. Polish again with the steel trowel, applying medium pressure to achieve the original Travertine finish. You can also create the exterior Travertine brick finish by using an aluminium scale and a small roller handle to create cuts in the paint. You've now created the perfect exterior Travertine finish, an exterior Travertine brick finish. Thank you for using this tutorial from Jotun, where we help you create beautiful exterior designs.